When you try to type something in the Windows Start menu search bar, nothing happens. You have these steps in the description of the video, so to fix this problem, press Windows key plus R, type regedit, double-click this H key current user, double-click software, double-click Microsoft, double-click Windows, and double-click current version. Now double-click search, and over here right-click and click new. Select this D word 32-bit value and name it BingSearchEnabled. Now double-click it and type 0 in the value data field. Click OK. Now double-click CortanaConsent and also set the value to be 0. And click OK and restart Windows. If you try now to search for Skype, for example, it will work. And this is how you fix Start menu search. I'm Filip and thanks for watching. See ya.